Okay, so we got the camera in place. So what I want to do now is yank on this, and then let's remove the belt right here, and this is gonna go back, and I'm gonna just, okay, there you go, we got this guy off. So that's how you're gonna get the belt off. And I'm gonna put the camera from here. Once you get the belt off, okay, we're gonna also remove this pulley for the alternator, and once you get the belt off, you should be able to reroute the belt through the whole thing and check your pulleys for play and noise, but there's nothing here. There it is. But anyways, let's continue. And once I have that, we should be able to move on with the, you know what, let me get the belt out of the way. Okay, so the belt's got to go out of the way, and then we'll lock up, you know what, let's lock up that bolt right now. There you go, nice and tight. This little cover was on top of it, so make sure you smack that right on. It should just clip right on. There you go. And now it's time for us to put the belt in. Let's move to the other side. Okay, to route the belt, just make sure you put the belt in the correct order. It goes around this pulley here. I'll show you that at the end. It goes up above the alternator here, and then back here it kind of came off. Okay, so on the water pump over there, I believe AC compressor, no, it's AC compressor back there. So the pulley's on good everywhere. Only problem I see here is spacing. So we're gonna get our tool here again. The tool goes on the same. I'm gonna hold this right here. We're gonna get this tool on, and you're gonna just yank this forward. Make sure you don't hurt yourself. Your fingers are out of the way. And what we're gonna do next is just double check your belt is good on every single pulley. As he's kind of off on the alternator here. And then just go around. Let me grab the camera and the light. Just go around to see your belt is lined properly everywhere on the alternator over here. And you're not gonna have this space if you're just doing the belt. And down here on the power steering pump, and go all the way down to the AC compressor. And that's how simple this baby is. Okay? So there you have it. And we're gonna move on. And once you're done, okay, we got the belt off on the okay, I'm gonna have to fix this up. The belt is kind of off on the alternator. I'm sorry, on the AC compressor. So we're gonna have to go back in here one more time. Okay, bear with me here. One more time. Okay, I'm gonna kind of have to yank on this tensioner one more time. Hopefully you don't hit this pipe here. Man, I'm gonna have to kind of, if I had another person with me, it would have been easier. Okay, so I'm gonna have to kind of move this side and see if I can fix it. There's no space for this little guy. So I'm gonna try to kind of, if I turn the whole belt, it should kind of fix itself, because the top is good. Okay, even the top is not good either. Okay, that's better. There you go, perfect. And our belt is nice and good. Double check again. And once you've done everything, make sure you check one more time with the car running. Make sure you double check the crank pulley and everything. Anyways, that's that. So from here on, everything is the reverse procedure. You're gonna take this little guy, and this thing sits like right over here. I can't do it with one hand. All this. Make sure you put that in. Make sure you put the sensor in. Make sure the 210mm, this pipe goes in, and the two bolts that I showed you. Bada bing, bada boom. After that, we'll check the alternator voltage.